A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. As you know that we are discussing about the case study method of educational psychology. We have discussed meaning of case study and steps involved in the case study method. Now today our topic is techniques of data collection in case study method. Dear students, now we have to discuss that what are the techniques which are used in the case study method for tracing case study of the learner. Number one, psychological tests, that is intelligence test, aptitude test and achievement tests. Number first, psychological test. In psychological test we have to collect the intellectual or intelligence test, his aptitude test and his achievement tests. This is psychological test. Number two, we have to collect a report from his parents, teachers and friends. Number three, interview of the person whose case study is being done. And number four is direct observation. These are the techniques that are involved or that are used for tracing case study of the learner or of the people. Now we have to discuss the merits and demerits of case study method. First of all, we will discuss some merits of case study method. Number one is it is comprehensive study of an individual. Number two, case study method is useful in identifying the social problems of the children. Number three, it is useful research technique and is useful in obtaining specific information about the interior life of a person. And number four is it is a useful method in giving special assistance to students for making adequate adjustments. So these are the merits of these are the merits of case study method. Now if it is having merits, it must have some demerits and we have to discuss them. So demerits or limitations. Number first demerit of case study method is that it is a subjective technique of the child study method. It is based on the subject. Number two, it is time consuming and costly method. It takes your most of the time in the case study method and it is also a costly method. Number three, it requires experts. In the case study method, we require some experts which are not available always. So experts are not available always. This is the most important demerit of case study method. And number four is it is difficult to prepare case study sometimes parents, friends may not cooperate. So in case study method, one demerit of case study method is that sometimes the parents of the person whose study is being done, whose case study is being done, his parents, his friends do not cooperate. So this is the main demerit of subject center. This is the main demerit of case study method. So we have almost finished this topic. We have discussed all its topics like this meaning of case study, techniques of case study, steps involved in case study method, its merits and demerits. Thank you very much.